My little Jewel was sleeping and she just jumped up and ran to the window. So I followed her because I wanted to see what she was looking at. And then I heard in the distance the garbage truck. She loves to watch the garbage man picking up the garbage. She would just run to the door, run to the window when she heard the truck. Even if she's in the front of the house, she would be jumping up, trying to get out of my arms. She wants to go see them. Well, today she heard them in the distance. I think they were probably all the way to maybe 2 or 3 blocks away. And she heard them. So here we are. The rain is falling. It is Saturday. We're at the window. I'm having my coffee. Jewel doesn't want to eat. She doesn't want to do anything. She's just looking out the window. And she's waiting. She's waiting for them. Something about this garbage truck that gets this little girl's attention. So here we are. She doesn't want to do anything. She's just sitting here. And I'm sitting here waiting with her. We just want to see what's going on outside. Not too many cars on the road today. It's Saturday and it's raining a lot outside. They said about an inch of rain today. Hopefully it's good for the grass. Hopefully it doesn't rain all night. It's on and off. They said it should stop raining around 1 o'clock. So now it's around 8, 7:38. And we're just going to sit here and wait for this truck to come. She's patiently waiting. Look at her eyes. Her ears are all up. She's on alert. This girl, this little Jewel. Wow, here comes the truck. And look at her how she changed her position. Looks like she wanna just spring on down. Jump out the window and go get the truck. Oh my goodness, my little Jewel. She is too much. Just looking. Here they come. This big white truck. She's watching. She's looking at the man out there, taking up the trash. I don't think she's scared of the truck, but usually she's very scared of big vehicles like the school bus. She gets scared when she sees it, but for some reason she likes these garbage men, and she likes their truck. So let's see what happens. I think she's going to be here for a little watching them. She's so happy. Look at her. Can't take her eyes off that truck. My little Jewel. Still looking at the truck. Truck is gone. Oh my goodness. Animals, they're so special.